Evening, guys. This is Bob, 60 degrees below zero for 60degreev6.com. It's getting late, and I'm just now finishing up doing the fix on the dual line input for the cleaning fluid. I had to use some plumbing brass with some barbed ends and some additional Tygon line to feed the fluid down through the cylinder, through the gasoline filter, through the pressure gauge, down into this T-bar, this brass T-fitting with a barbed end here, here, and here. And then one end of it goes into that long tube I mentioned that services the ass end of this thing. And then the other goes into the large open line for the return line that would normally feed gasoline back to the gas tank. Now what I found out was the fuel pressure regulator was rusty, and there was all kinds of old fuel in there down inside this little cup here, which is actually a dead end. It doesn't go into this end of the rail. It simply is the pressure line for the incoming gasoline that goes in here and comes out the other end through the fuel injectors, or it's returned to this big line back to the fuel tank. But in this application, I am using both of them because I want an equal amount of pressure. Liquids are incompressible, so when the fluid comes through here, they're both going to service down this line. The narrow end's going to input here, the fat end's going to input here, and hopefully somewhere in the middle they'll meet and push all the air down through these exit points once the dual OTCs are activated. So I need one more, as you can see right here, I need one more clamp, and I don't have it. And it's getting too late to do any more today. So I'll shoot a test video of just the OTCs actuating, and if that works and I can get a decent flow going all the way across all 6 injectors, then I'll do a flow balance test, and you can see what the results of that are. By the way, this is the old original, for comparison in size, this is the 3rd generation rail with the Schrader valve that I had to make by hand laboriously. And trust me, this thing is a lot easier to work with, this arrangement here. So, Bob, 60 degrees below zero for 60degreev6.com. See you tomorrow.